Hello everyone, Bryan with Abound Web Design, back with another Squarespace tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about something that I see get asked in the forums and in the Facebook groups for Squarespace from time to time, and that is how to hide a page on your Squarespace website. And really the answer to this depends on exactly what you're talking about. You could be talking about hiding the page from your navigation, or wanting to hide it from search results. We're going to cover both of those in this tutorial. Okay, so we're here on my demo website, and everything that you're going to want, no matter which way you're trying to hide pages, is going to be in the back end of the individual pages. So let's start off, like, for example, with just this contact page. So if you go into and I didn't have to necessarily go to the page there, but if you click on the gear icon here, the settings of the page, you can see you have all these page settings over here, but right here on the general page settings, you have an enable page toggle. You just have to toggle that off, and you'll see that it disappears from the navigation up here. If I turn it back on, save, it comes back. Now that's how that would hide it. Obviously, if you just trashed it, that would hide it as well. But if you want to, I'm assuming that you're wanting that these people are probably going to be wanting to hide the page without getting rid of it. Otherwise, you would just throw the thing away. But then the other thing would be if you're wanting to hide it from search engine results. And so you want it to not show up on a Google search or that type of thing. Again, you're going to go into the settings there of the page and go into SEO, and then you're going to scroll down and you would toggle on the hide page from search results, and then save, and it won't show up in the search results now. So it's just a matter of knowing where those two things are. But that's it. If you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.